Hi, I'm Alvin. Welcome back to Tasty's Making It Big. Today, I'm gonna be making a giant Popeye's chicken sandwich because I've actually never had the real one until last week, and I just wanted to see what the hype was about. I thought it was pretty good the first time I had it, so thought it could be fun to make a giant fried chicken sandwich, and not only a giant fried chicken sandwich, but the Popeye's one. So enough talk, let's get going. So we are first gonna get started with the big bun. I have yeast, some warm milk, and we have to add in a little bit of sugar for the yeast to eat, a sprinkling of flour. Mix. You go hang out over there. Thank you, dude. Now we have, I don't know if you guys remember from the previous seasons of Making It Big, we had a stand mixer named Todd. Unfortunately, Todd couldn't make it. We put him through a little too much work, and he is now in the KitchenAid scrapyard. So we have a new one. I will christen it with a new name. This mixer's name shall be known as Bertha from here on out. And we're gonna start making the dough. This is Bertha's first maiden voyage, so we're gonna put in a lot of flour. Stop spilling, Alvin. Some sugar, salt, just gonna give a little mix. I like that we have the clear bowl so that you guys can see what's going on. In goes the eggs. Bloop, 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 bloop. That's the sound eggs make. Ooh, it's a beat. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, 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 Bertha, calm down now. I locked you in the back. Why are you still going up? It's okay. It's gonna suppress Bertha while she mixes this dough. All right, let's see how this yeast, ooh, it grew up a little bit. Slowly going in. Hey, yo, calm down, Bertha. Simmer down now. You better not spray any of that up at me. I'm gonna be mad, Bertha. We're gonna speed this up a little bit. So it'd be a good time to scrape down the sides. Whew, that is some gluten. Hello, good job, Bertha. You're killing it. Back in you go. Block. Now we have the butter that you're gonna add in little by little. Honestly, I could probably watch this all day. It's like watching a GIF, but instead of looping, it's free because it keeps going on its own. That's nice. I like free things. Oh, the dough's getting nice and glossy. Oh, Bertha's heating up. Now that all the butter is in, this needs to go at speed 3 for about 5 minutes. And you know, we all had the Milo test in PE. Well, stand mixers have the brioche test because they got to do this for 5 minutes. So keep up the good work. So Bertha's actually getting quite hot. I can almost cook an egg on this thing. And well, you look at this. This is it's a tornado. Bertha's got that stupid thick brioche going on. Look at that. Oh my God. Woo. Here we go. Woo. That's pretty. That's how you know it's ready. All this dough is stuck to the hook. Look at that. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Good job, Bertha. You killed it. All right, you go rest over there. Good job. Look at this. You just... That's some crazy cool gluten. Look at that. All right, some flour. It's like liquid dough. You guys ever play with like slime? Or the thing that you make in school with like the cornstarch? This is what it's like. All right, we're gonna get you in here. Boop. Nice. Okay, this guy's in here. Gotta let this proof and we'll be right back. All right, so our little brioche baby has grown up quite a bit. And we're gonna punch our baby in the face. Ow. All right, gotta get this guy out. Oh, that's awesome. It's like honeycomb. Gotta get this into a nice ball because he's sticky. Now I know why they call it a bench scraper. This is a quite troublesome baby. All right, where's it gonna have to YOLO this one? Please don't treat your kids like that. If you're a professional baker or work in the industry, feel free to roast how bad I did that. But on this show, we do what we can. So this is gonna proof, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. So we have here 2 large, not chicken, because turkey made a lot more sense. We have 2 very large turkey breasts. It also has the beautiful, delicious skin on it, which I think is great. So even though this is a Popeye's chicken sandwich, I won't tell if you don't, but this is a turkey sandwich. All right, so I'm gonna go in here, get that nice butterfly going. When you're butterflying something like this, you gotta check your work. It's like in school when you do the math problems. All right, that's 1. We're gonna do 1, and we're gonna do 2. Check your work. All right, I skewer this together. Get in, like that. Then we gotta go down, and then we go up. Here we go. Let's check if we can lift it and if it holds together. This is one of the two because Popeye's chicken sandwich has a good amount of meat, and I don't like to skimp on meat when it comes to these sorts of dishes, so I'm gonna make another one of these and we will be right back. So we are gonna bread our beautiful turkey breast, and in order to do that, we gotta make a seasoned flour mixture to get as much flavor in there as possible. I'm not sure if this is the exact same recipe that Popeyes uses, because, you know, then I could run them out of business. So we got seasoning, we got some salt, flour, some pepper, paprika. Ooh, that smells nice. Ooh, that's spicy. Cayenne and paprika. Just gonna give that a whisk. We're gonna go in here. We are using large cake pans as our breading stations. This is making it big and where the unconventional is conventional. Shout out to Home Depot. Evenly mixed, no big lumps. And this is buttermilk for the chicken. You gotta season your chicken heavily. Make sure it tastes good. Got that salt, got some nice pepper. A large piece of meat needs a lot of seasoning. Ooh. You know when chicken or turkey is seasoned when it stops looking like its original form. Into the flour, or the largest breading situation I've ever done. Ooh. It's like making a Zen garden. The buttermilk, nice. Good coat, back in the flour. Some nice crackles going on. Right in here. Yeah, this is gonna be a nicely breaded piece of chicken. Chicken. Woo! This is one big chicken. Chicken. All right, this is my chicken sandwich, and that's one. That was fun. I'm gonna do another one, and we're gonna go fry this thing. Oh, happy Halloween. Popeye's chicken sandwich does come with a sauce, and we're gonna make a spicy mayo, which is one of the most complicated recipes there is, because you gotta put mayo and spicy. So we got hot sauce. Contrary to my Chinese roots, I'm not a big spice tolerant person, so I'm gonna, yeah, that's spicy. I'm just only gonna do a little bit. Nobody tell, especially my mom. She would disown me. Yeah, I don't know. I think I would like to say that my negative affinity towards spice is it's a good defense evolutionary mechanism. Not that I just can't eat at restaurants and I'm a wuss when I eat a pepper or a hot Cheeto. I like to tell myself that. It's a good thing. It's gonna help me out in the long run. Spicy mayo, very easy. You put mayo and you put spicy together and you have spicy mayo. I wanna go bake the bun now. Okay, so this little guy's been proofing for quite a while. I gotta put the baby in the oven. That's a word no one should ever say. In you go, dude. Get nice and big. Whew. Okay, baby's in the oven, and we're gonna fry some chicken. The heat is radiating. I'm about to do something very dangerous. Please do not do this at home. We have very, very hot oil. One breaded turkey chicken patty that I made earlier in a dream. And we're gonna fry this, but please do not ever do this because we have trained professionals on set. All right, here we go. Don't do this at home, ever. This is cool. Woo! Okay, so our big patty is in there. I'm pretty sure this isn't how Popeyes does it, but I'm pretty happy with this. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's a crust right there. It's kind of funny how much heat this thing is radiating. I can feel it all the way from here. My face is really nice and warm. And this, it's kind of like camping, like a campfire. Okay, so I'm looking for a pretty good golden brown crust, but I also want the turkey chicken to cook through. I don't know why I keep saying that, but now we're committed. Kind of reminds me of the chicken nugget episode we did. Looking pretty good. Might need to finish this guy in the oven. Look at that crust. That's a nice crust. And we are coming out. Whew. That is one patty. All right, that's one. I have to do another one. And this is going into the oven so we can finish cooking it through. So it has been 50 minutes, almost an hour, and it is time to take my baby out of the oven. Oh man, this is one smooth, beautiful baby. I hope my baby in the future looks like this. Oh, that's nice. Okay, this bun is done. I'm very proud of this bun. it smells nice. We are now ready to assemble. We have a toasted bun that has been sliced in half, toasted with butter, because toasted buns make a world of a difference. 3 big chicken turkey patties. Culinary team was gracious enough to help me make 2 while I was manhandling this first one over here. We have pickles, spicy mayo that we did make earlier. I think ain't nothing to it, but just do it. According to Google Images, the Popeye's chicken sandwich does start off with a layer of the mayo. I'm gonna get that on here. Yeah, some nice sauce, nice ASMR. And now, the chicken. We gotta get you over there. This is awesome. 1, 2. Oh my God, that's what I'd like to see. And 3. Woo! We gotta get the skewer out. Come on. Got it. Pickles! This might take a minute. This is going to be quite fun. Oh wait, the pickles are supposed to go on the bottom. Whatever, I totally forgot. Kinda like them better on top. Don't know why there was such a craze when this first came out. There were fights over this. People were brawling on them streets. And they're probably fighting over that right now. That chicken's gonna absorb all this pickle juice real nice. All right, that should be good for the pickles. Now, let's see, we're gonna put on a little bit more sauce for the top. All right, top bun. Yeah. Well, that's quite a large Popeye's chicken sandwich. I wanna clean up a bit and then we're going to finally dig in. But man, I'm excited to eat this. We have 1 large chicken sandwich and we have 1 large knife. There's only one thing we have to do now. Oh, may the force be with me. Oh, you guys hear that? Damn. Oh my God, look at how good this bun is. It's like a pillow. Look at this cross section. Look at these layers. Look at this. Someone tagged Popeyes. I will take a little edge piece. Little as in the size of a cake. This bun is so good. This knife is so good. It's the super slicer. And the chicken is still juicy, as you can see. I mean the chicken. How does one eat? Come on. Divide this in 2. There's like 7 people staring at me right now. This is hilarious. That's pretty good. Tastes like the chicken sandwich from Popeyes. I did not expect it to be this good. What the heck? I'm gonna keep eating this for a few minutes. Yeah, so I ate my piece. It was actually tastier than and closer to the actual chicken sandwich than I had thought. I think the most exciting thing about this for me is the bread. It's spongy, it's buttery, it's delicious, it's brioche. The chicken and the turkey chicken. It's great, it's juicy, the pickles are nice, the mayo is nice. I could see why people may or may not get into a physical altercation over this sandwich. #WorldStar. Well yeah, this was fun. I cannot wait to spend the next couple of days with this sandwich. And that being said, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.